have to open this up. Oh, not my nail hurt. I don't know.
I feel like Scooby, like a dog. Eat the bastard Scooby snacks, and I go hard. Girl, drop it, man, cause shit, I'll take you far. She drop it too.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing slash review on this company that actually reached out to me. I'm really excited. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm gonna just have it on the screen, somewhere on the screen, and also in the description box if y'all want to go purchase. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. But before we go into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. You already know the deal. You know the deal. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so this is the package. I took it off the other package, but I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Look, we got the aesthetic going in the background. Hey, okay, the last video I ain't had that picture up, but don't mind the tape. Look, I got them up there. Okay, we got our lights going. Okay, blue favorite color. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Go ahead and open it, y'all. Hold on. Oh, hold on. I might have to open this up. Yes, this is what the brand is looking like. This is the name of the brand, period. It's just a box. It's giving luxury. It's giving. Okay, I'm gonna hold on. Oh, I got me a watch. So I got me a watch. Did I order a watch? Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. This is so cute. And I'm wearing a watch. This watch is old. This from Shein. I got this one from Shein. Hold on. Let me go ahead and take this. This is not. Oh my God. Jesus, look at that bling. Hold on. How you open it? Okay, it's just like the other one. It's just a clip. Hold on. You just open it like that. Okay, I promise you this ain't that hard to open. Oh, not my nail hurt. I don't know. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh, wait. Okay. Is it? No, I'm doing it the right way. I probably could slip my hand in here. Can I slip it in? I can't slip this in here. My hand too. I got some thick hands. Hold on. Let me try it again, cause look at that. Do you, bro? Oh my goodness. This is cute. I'm loving it. This is what it looks like. All silver. Yeah. Then you got the bling coming in, bro. This is cute. Oh, and it's I'm still gonna wear my Shein watch, but yeah, this die. I gotta change the time, cause what time is it? It's 4. Yeah, this is the wrong time. Hold on, I gotta change the time on it real quick. I gotta change the time, cause who got time? Nobody. I gotta take this plastic off. They got the plastic. This is cute. I don't like when people straight be having a plastic on. My sister did that, and I was just like, girl, take the plastic off. She just wearing it. Girl, take that plastic off. That look ghetto. Take that off. Unless you don't want it to get dirty or rusty, but shoot, girl, take it off. Take the plastic off. If you want the plastic on, keep the plastic on. But baby, I like the plastic off. I like the plastic off. I was thinking of something else. I like the plastic off. Cause hold on. It's gonna take us a minute to get down. It'll take us a little minute. It's gonna take us a little minute. A little minute. Yeah. Come on now. It's gonna take us a little minute. You feel me? Okay. All right now. Okay, I gotta do the other side. Okay, I'ma just. We got the shine out like we got the This is cute. Period. Yeah, it is. It is big. It's big on me. I gotta take the links out. Maybe like 2, 3. I gotta take the links out, but yeah, this is cute. This cute. I like it. Hey. Alright, yo. So I like my things right here. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. You know the deal. And everything will be linked in my description box below, so definitely check it out. If you guys want to check out their website, it will be in the description box below. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.